This is the first video on Python series, and today we are going to discuss about variables. The simple definition of variable is it is just a name given to the memory location. But why do we use variables? Well, variables are used to store the data into the memory or access the data from the memory. So let's see how the variable is created and how we are going to insert the data into that. So here I have written a simple 2 lines of code that here I have created a variable a and inserted a value 10 into that, and in next statement I am gonna print the value of the variable a. So let's run it. So see, this is the value of a. So let's see by taking some other examples. So I am going to create another 2 variables here, and I am gonna print a string into that. String means it's the array of characters, right? And here I am going to insert something. So I am gonna print this value by using print function. So we are going to insert a value b into that because we want to print a value of b, right? So variable b, that is. So I have printed. See, it's printing first b value because we are use a print function using b variable first, and then we are using a. So this was about storing a value into the variable and printing it. So let's see some other features of Python. Python has another feature, that is Python is a case sensitive. It means that we can create more than one variable of a same. But let's consider we have used a capital letter in first variable and small letter in second variable. Then Python will treat those both variables as a different variables, even if they have a same name and same meaning. So let's see, I have an example here. There are 3 variables. In the first variable all the letters are small. In the second variable first letter is in capital letter, and in third variable all the letters are capital letters. So let's see what will be the output of it. See, here these 3 variables are giving 3 different outputs and different values that we have inserted in those variables. Now let's see, can we store the multiple values in the same variable? So let's see what happened. I have created a variable a here and stored value 10 into that, and after that I'm storing another value 20 into that and printing here a. So what do you think? Which value it will print? Will it print both, or it will print 20 or 10? So let's see guys what will happen. Oh, it's giving the output 20, right? But how does it happen? Don't worry, I'm gonna explain you now. So let's consider this is the memory, and we want to insert the data into the memory. And already we know how to insert the data into the memory, right? By creating a variable. So let's see, this is the variable x and this is the data. So after doing this, the value will get stored into the memory. It will get stored automatically here. So it will have some location or address. Let's consider this is the address. And when we insert another data into the same variable, what will happen is that data will be stored in a memory, but the variable, let's consider this is the variable here. Variable is a name given to the memory location, right? So when we store the data 21 into that, the variable x starts pointing here, and if we have print the value of x, it would have given the value of x21 here. but we have updated the value 54. So now this variable starts to point here at 54, and we will lost this location, right? And we lost this data also. We can't access this data again because now x value is updated, that is 54. So now whenever we print a value of x by print function, it will always give 54 rather than giving 21. So this is the method of updating or changing the value of variable. It's not about creating a value of same name. So let's move to the next topic, that is identifiers. Identifiers are nothing but these are the name given to the variable, function, class or module or any other objects. It means we can give any name to the variable and functions, but there are some rules for that. So let's see what are those. Variable name must start with a letter or underscore. If we are going to start a variable name by giving a number at first position, Python will give an error. Variable name cannot start with a number or special character, and third point is it must contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. We can add the numbers into the variables but not at the first position. And one more thing is variable name should not contain any special character. In Python there are some keywords like if, for, class, def. Then we should not use these keywords as a variable. So here I have taken some examples. Creating a variable by alphanumeric characters, it is valid, but numbers should not be at the first position. And when we create a variable, if we add an underscore at the beginning, then it's valid. Using underscore anywhere in the variable name, it's also valid. So I'm going to execute this code now. And it is giving output correct. So now let's see some examples of invalid variables. Creating a variable by putting a number at the first position is invalid, and using a special character anywhere in the variable name, it is also invalid. If we are going to execute this code, it will give an error. So this is error, invalid syntax, because of the wrong variable type. So that's it. This is all about the variable. See you in the next video. Till then, keep reading, keep learning. Thank you.